After watching this video, you'll be able to create unlimited Gmail IDs right inside your phone. Here, as you can see, I've opened the Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to install an application called GoLogin. Once it's installed, open the GoLogin app. The first thing you need to do is click on Create Account. Fill the form, type your email, set a password, confirm the password, and just hit the Sign Up button. Here's the best part, it does not require any phone number. Instead, you'll only see a CAPTCHA. That's all you need to create unlimited Gmail IDs. Now, once you're inside, you'll see many options like Facebook, LinkedIn, and also Google. Just hit the Run button next to Google. This requires a special browser to be installed, it's called Orbita browser. So, start installing Orbita, it'll take you back to the Play Store. Tap on Install, and just wait. Once Orbita is installed, open it. Click on Add Account to Device. This will take you to Google's official page. Now simply click on Create Account at the bottom, and select for my personal use. Here, enter your name, whatever you like, then hit Next. On the next page, input your basic information, tap Next. Now select a username, tap Next. Choose a password, and again click Next. And look at this, it doesn't ask you for a mobile number. Just click on Yes, I'm in, then tap I agree. Congratulations! You've just created a Gmail ID without using any phone number. That ID is automatically saved on your mobile phone. After that, it brings you back to the main page. Now, if you want to make another ID, just tap on the Gmail ID you recently created. It'll open a pop-up window. From there, click on Add Account to Device again. You'll be taken back to Google's official Gmail sign-up page. Now just repeat the same process again and again to create unlimited accounts. Select a username next. Fill your basic information next. Choose your email ID next. Set a password next. And boom! Another account is created. After that, it brings you back to the main page. Now make another ID. Just tap on the Gmail ID you recently created. Click on Add Account to Device again.